Hallelujah, no woro. Alright, I'm still on the matter. Straight hands on Wazobia TV for the watch me. Obviously, I don't tire, but my spirit don't move me well. But I must present this show no matter a bit. Forget how they drink pure water and at the level be that. I come to the local level. Now just simple question. I may enter street today. The question is say yes, man when get money, when get car, luxuries, cars and everything. And man when not get money, but he do okay. Who they spend much on ladies pass? Who they spend money on top of girls pass? Make we know because all these guys when get motor, they intimidate us well. They intimidate us, not single come. Like we were with the hustle like it. And we they spend money pass, you know that kind of thing. We they spend money pass. Egbo, good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right, one Nigerian senator dey inside motor here enter bus. Like saying that they broke. I make I enter bus now, so in the inside bus now. So you know what talk to us so that they don't see his face. Oga, where's they pay you? Don't want to talk? Come on, you're gonna talk, man. All right, still at the matter, straight hands. Or Wazobia TV. Now so the work they be sometimes. You go see some challenges, you go see some difficulties. But I had to use wisdom. Hey, bros, come. Come on, see moto. He's saying there for his. I don't know the his when they hurry up in the country. How far now about it now? How far? The guy man be?
Yes.
Man where get money where get money, where get car, do luxury, get money. And man where not get money, where he never buy car. Who should they spend money pass for woman?
I know that repeat, wait till talk, I repeat and back.
You know what I talk since? You don't understand. No, so you, why this woman will come obstruct yourself? This woman will come out your load for your hand. Man where get money, where get car. All of that fit talk. Man where get money, where get car. Then the one not get money, but they manage himself, but he not get car. Who they spend money pass a woman?
And the man will get car. Yes.
Why you talk like that?
Because he get money pass one way no get car now.
The one not get money feed he go they take care of woman. Where who they take care of woman pass?
Now the person will get the car go take.
What up?
And the person will get money. I will.
Okay, you support them?
I don't support them. Because person when no get car, what they manage in life and they spend money for woman. Now they spend pass who get car. Yes. Yes, so because if they follow woman and woman cannot follow without money. Don't you know that? Anything about woman, say I'm not spending, and it's lie, you're spending for woman. Without money, they cannot follow you. That's what it be.
Alright, still on the street chance, the man don't talk. To me, now man when not get money, when not get car. You understand? More take and the way not get car. But the way get car, you go just put woman inside car, highest go there, go drop her for your house, no spend $1 for your head. Go just sit on the flex and women when they don't see car, they're gonna enjoy themselves. Flex. They say my guy is loaded, your guy is loaded, but not they load your pocket. But at the level there, but person when not get car, you go take time, pay taxi money for the woman. Make sure say make the woman make the day okay. Anyhow, now they spend money pass. Understand me? Still on the street chance on Wazobia TV. Make you not touch it. I must enter the street. This guy don't know what's in the time. Bros, good afternoon. Now Wazobia TV be this. Yeah, man when get car, and when not get car, who they spend much on woman?
Man we get car.
And when not get car, who they spend money pass?
Now the man we get car.
You when get car?
Yeah.
Why you talk like that?
You know say that car where you get, you go dey attract woman.
You attract woman, but you not me say money come out for your pocket.
Well, money go come out because no how where you go carry woman where you no go spend money. You carry am go one joint. You no go buy something.
I don't agree with you for that one. No. Lie. For person, okay, you believe? So person when not get car, you know they spend money.
I know they spend now. They spend. But if I carry woman for my car, I go like to enter where we go there.
Yes. Oga come, abeg come this side, come talk.
Yes, no. Person wey carry woman dey spend money pass person wey carry car. Because no how if you carry woman you go buy her something. So woman now you go restaurant now. Wetin you no fit chop for your house? He go point and say he go chop that. He go chop. You know.
You carry woman, person wey get car, you go buy fuel inside your car. You go carry money, put for your pocket. Carry woman, carry am go joint, you go buy something for am. If you wan carry the woman come back, you no go give am anything. So the money wey you take buy fuel, you wan tell me say you no spend money?
The money wey you take buy fuel, na yourself you buy the fuel for, na your car you put am, na you take concern the woman.
If you put your car for house, you no go anywhere now. Na because you get
na make me dey tell you, listen o, the person wey no get car, na dey spend money pass. In the sense that he must try to impress that woman because he no get car.
Woman sef no go even follow person wey no get car. You no know?
Na be the extra work when the man wey no get car go do now.
See that car wey you see, e dey make things dey easy. I don tell you initially say e dey attract woman.
Bros, abeg confess, this argument, we need to complete am. Guy, bros, no vex o, bros come. Man wey no get car, and man wey get car, who dey spend money pass for woman?
The one wey no get car dey spend money pass for woman. Because he go pay now, he go pay for transport, he go pay for everything wey he want to do. But the one wey get car, you just park on it and pick it up. So you buy fuel for your own, but you buy fuel. You even want to go to anywhere before you buy fuel and go to anywhere you want to go. And the woman too will charge you because you take it on that car than the person that have car. So it's just easy for person that have car than the one who have car.
Simple.
So
that's it. Street Champs on Wazobia TV. Make you not touch the man. Man wey get car and man wey not get car. Who spend money pass? Still on the matter. Remember our argument. Everybody with their own idea. Everybody their own understanding. Simple and simple logic. All right, still on the Street Champs on Wazobia TV. I see they also they go round. They look whether I've see one young lady. I've seen one young lady. Auntie, good afternoon. Na just simple question I want ask, and I know I want ask you because you be woman. Man wey get car, man wey get car, and woman, man wey not get car, who dey spend money pass?
Na woman.
No, man wey get car, and man wey not get car, who dey spend money pass?
Na the man wey no get car.
Na the one wey not get car. Simple. I don't hear am. Woman wey not, na woman dey give you this answer, so say na man wey not get car. Why you talk like that?
I just think like that.
That man wey no get car go try to please you.
Seriously.
Because person wey get car, if you just carry enter car, blow AC for your body, go drop you.
Yes.
And then you know if you have some money, say, okay, still on the matter, Street Champs on Wazobia TV. Hello, sweetheart. Good afternoon. Why you no answer? All right, Blythe say, oh, must get woman. How far, sweetheart? How you doing? I just ask you one simple question. Now, Wazobia TV be this. Wazobia TV. Don't worry, I know say they go somewhere, but they go somewhere before you come up for your house. I know say they go work before you come up for your house. Let me ask you one simple question. Man, when get car, man, when not get car, who they spend money pass?
I don't know.
You don't know. Talk.
Okay.
All right, okay, bye. All right, still on the Street Champs on Wazobia TV. Male, good afternoon. Una dey pray, let they pray, man and no verse. The prayer shall be answered in Jesus' name. Yeah, Mama, I dey come for you. Madam, good afternoon. Wazobia TV. Simple question, madam. Man wey get car, and man wey not get car, who dey spend money pass a woman body?
I don't know. It depends now.
You groove now. You don't groove before.
It depends.
It depends.
Yes.
How?
It depends on your.
Speak pidgin, madam. Don't worry.
It depends. It depends on the way you normally bargain for money or the way you get your money. It if you get easy money like all these agbero they spend money easily but the one wey dey work for office they go use biro calculator before they spend the money they go use biro calculator abi no be like that that all these agbero wey be say dem dey collect money every day dem go just dey as dem dey get the money.
Comot for the agbero side mama sorry o you dey wan buy fish abi.
Yes.
Madam you don sell the fish cheap for am. Alright make sure say you sell am cheap o if not dem no show am for TV o. I know say na now you go market to anytime you wan buy fish more na come here come buy fish for this woman hand o. Alright madam you see wetin dey there. Guy when he no get car he dey work for bank and guy when get car dey work for bank who dey spend money pass.
The one wey get car now.
When get car.
Because go dey give woman lift as they give them lift dem go dey buy credit and then they give them excess money.
But person wey no get car nko.
That one he go dey manage struggle say make him buy car na so he go dey manage say he no go give money house.
That na the woman own point o many people say na the one wey no get car na dey spend money pass because him go wan try all means to please that woman.
Which one?
But you know say person wey get car I tell you if he buy only fuel for him car woman dey use eye dey see flashy things you go enter the car AC go blow am you go go house empty you say my guy get car go dey flex well moses well 1 month if he never spend money for him head but man wey no get car you go cry you go carry taxi for the woman you go buy clothes for am you go do everything for am.
Woman wey dey for Nigeria now dem no dey look that one na car everybody say dem wan make the man say buy car for them. Yes now.
So woman eye dey shook now.
E dey shook o.
Your eye dey shook man.
E dey shook now. What you call Lagos come do?
Alright, still on the street channels on Wazobia TV. Alright, this woman don't finish the whole matter. This woman don't finish the whole matter. Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing now?
I'm fine.
What you dey sell?
They sell egusi.
Egusi, okay. Okay, you don't hear our question now.
I no got here.
Man wey get car and woman wey no get car, who dey spend money pass?
Na man wey get car now. Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Think am well.
Na man wey get car.
Where dey spend money pass? You get car no be say you get money o. Some people for this Lagos their car dey watch me. Some people for this Lagos their car na be their house o. Some no get house o, I tell you no. You no mean say you get money o.
Then some dey sleep inside the car now. Like Danfo drivers.
All right, you don't talk. May I see me this woman when they come? Madam, good afternoon. Madam, you must talk. God knows say you must talk. Come on, I must pursue this woman. Talk today. You must talk. Now God want me you talk. Where my cameraman? You must talk before I do am. All right, madam, good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Yes, you see, I pursue this woman in slippers skirt. We must do am, but you must talk. Madam, how far now? You don't see this woman where I be? Madam, man wey get car. A man wey no get car. Who dey spend money pass for woman?
Who dey?
Spend money pass for woman.
A man now.
The one wey no get car.
Man wey no get car. And the woman wey no get car.
Man wey no get car. A woman, man wey no get car. Man wey get car. Who dey spend money pass?
A man now.
Who sure?
Man dey spend pass.
No, you never understand me. Man wey get car.
Car.
Car. Man wey no get car. Man wey get motor. And the one wey no get motor. Who dey spend money pass?
Okay. For the family.
No, for a woman.
Okay. And the man wey get car dey spend money pass.
How?
How? Man dey spend much now because of many things. Because you know women some need money. So man wey get money, the woman go dey demand so many things from the man so that the man go dey bring money out now. But man wey no get car, you know say you no get. So wetin
you no get car no mean say you no get money. Some people no get car no mean say they no get money.
But the one wey we see we dey talk.
Some people wey get car no mean say they get money.
But people the one wey we see we dey talk. That's it.
Some people you know say for this Lagos some people na their car their house.
Yes, I know.
So why you go take ready say this one get money?
Any man wey get money wey get good car. This man wey get good car go get money.
All right, still on the matter on street chance. Make I go look for where I go show this man this thing for am. Where Aboki dey for here? Where Aboki dey? You see, I don't pursue the woman so the shoe don't cut. I won't go so now the challenges what we face for the show be that. And one of the shows there. Solo the matter straight chance on Wazobia TV. Make you not touch the die. Channel 195. Start time. Don't touch the die. I won't go so don't touch it.